In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Replit on ChatGPT. We're going to walk through the process from the ChatGPT homepage all the way to approving the connection, and it only takes a few moments once you know where to click. To begin, go to ChatGPT and make sure you're on the homepage. This is the main screen you see after logging in, and it's where you can access tools, features, and connected apps. If your layout looks slightly different, that's completely normal, since interfaces can change a little over time, but the overall process should still be very similar. Once you're on the homepage, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This side panel is where you'll usually find navigation options for different parts of ChatGPT. In that left sidebar, click on Apps. This will take you to the Apps section where you can browse and manage available integrations. After that, shift your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. This is where the app listings will appear. Look for Replit in the list of available apps. Depending on your screen size or account layout, you may need to scroll a bit to find it. Once you see Replit, click on it to open its app page. On the Replit app page, click on Connect. This starts the linking process between your ChatGPT account and your Replit account. After you click Connect, you'll be prompted to sign in with Replit. Go ahead and click Sign in with Replit to continue. At this point, you'll see a permission screen letting you know that ChatGPT would like to access your Replit account. This is a standard authorization step that appears whenever two platforms are being connected. It gives you a chance to review what kind of access is being requested before anything is linked. If everything looks correct, click Allow. That confirms that you want to give ChatGPT permission to connect with Replit. Once you do that, the connection process will continue automatically. From there, simply follow the next prompt on your screen. This final part may vary slightly depending on your account status or whether you're already signed in, but the platform will guide you through whatever remains. Just read each prompt carefully and continue until the connection is complete. And that's it. Once finished, Replit should be connected to ChatGPT and ready to use. If something doesn't load right away, a quick page refresh can sometimes help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.